that fast.
Around 9:30, it got like really bad. Our lights went out. A bunch of trees just started breaking off my yard, and generators from my neighbor's house just blew up. And that's when I knew. The real heavy eye was Rockport. I drove about 35 minutes over there, and it was just really, really bad. There's buildings destroyed, a bunch of RVs turned around, just everything you would expect from a hurricane, honestly.
About 11:30 last night, this one here rolled over on top of it.
Right.
That's when the wind shifted around, I believe.
Right.
And of course, you see all the damage around here. That's when everything went hell in a handbasket.